Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Attraction Marketing. It's Friday evening, beautiful evening. Let me ask you a question. Do you care about ranking? Are you chasing ranks? Are you chasing keywords to rank your content for those keywords? Let me know in the comments below whether you're more into trying to rank for a keyword or not. In this video, I'm going to tell you why you should forget about ranks and get your content seen in many more places. Ranking and banking no longer work. Stay tuned. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jock and this is Attraction Marketing. This is where I teach you how to use natural spiritual law with real marketing skills to increase your business online and bring your dreams to you. And today we're going to talk about ranking. We're going to talk about that old bugaboo or bugbear, whatever you want to call it, chasing ranks, chasing keyword strategies to rank for those keywords, whether it is viable anymore or not, who knows. And just before we start off, by the way, have a look at this. Real men wear kilts. That's true. Actually, yeah, nothing underneath the kilt. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Being a Scotsman, I'm very proud of that. Anyway, listen, years and years ago, everything used to be about ranking for a keyword. Okay, you would search the right keywords in your niche, and you would go for those keywords, and you would throw some links to them, and you would have a variation of of anchor text and your alt tags. And whilst that still has some truth within it, it's not all about ranking anymore, guys. Listen, there is billions and billions of blogs on the internet. That means that everybody is chasing those keywords and they're trying to outrank one another. What you need to do is to be different. Forget about the keywords, because if there's billions and billions and billions of blogs and everybody's chasing the different keywords in your niche, that means that everybody's driving their traffic, putting all their thoughts, their consideration into a keyword strategy, looking for the keywords that people are searching for that are going to rank within the Google search results, and that has a place. But let me show you something. Up here, you're going to see an image up here. Oops. You're going to see an image up here. And that image is going to show you how busy the homepage is in Google search results. There is a lot more advertising because that's the modus operandi that they take now. It is all about pay to play. And now we've also got Google coming out with the possible pay to play for your Google My Business. And then you have Facebook ads, you have Twitter ads, you have LinkedIn ads. Everything is pay to play. And what actually happens now with the ads are taking up more real estate, as you can see in the images, okay? This image here, you'll see that there's a lot more real estate that's taken up, which means the front page used to be 10, that you could, 10 possible listings that you could get in there. There used to be a lot more meta descriptions, and you would be able to vary, have a variation of your meta descriptions, your keywords, your meta tags, your meta titles, everything that helped you to rank on the first page of Google. Now that is no longer really working. Here's the other thing. Not just Google. Google's algorithm is trying to think like a human being. But not if we take Google aside for a minute, here's the other thing. People are not stupid. They now know psychologically that people are paying to be on the front page. They know that people are paying for advertising. And more often than not, when someone's looking for a deal or looking for some information, they are now going to the second, the third and the fourth pages. They're starting to look further down. But even more interesting than that, they're actually looking and finding content in other places. Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all these different social media places. Then you've got there's Web 2.0s that people are building blogs on. You've got Medium, which is a great blogging platform, and people are utilizing that to get their articles out there and their branding out there. There are so many other places to get your content seen. It is not anymore. Ranking and banking doesn't work anymore. It's not a case of, you know, you get onto the first page of Google, and if you get onto the first page of Google, you're going to be inundated with leads and clients. It doesn't happen, ladies and gentlemen. What happens, the reason that you get leads, the reason that you get clients is because you build relationships and you build trust. And because you build trust and you're in the relationship, people are more than likely to engage with you. And when they engage with you, you've got a better chance of turning them into a client. It's a long-term game now. It's not a quick sprint. It's a long walk. You know, you've got to develop that relationship. And what better way to do it than to be in more, you know, your content seen in more places, okay? Eyeballs need to see it on YouTube. But don't forget Vimeo. Don't forget other video platforms. Don't forget Facebook. And even social media. They're in so much competition with each other. It's unreal. You can just see now, in social media in this day and age, it is a pay-to-play game, okay? It's almost like you won't get anywhere if you don't pay for your advertising. Well, that's not strictly true, because good content, diversification of your content, and making your content unique is what is actually going to bring you the clients. It's what's going to help you to develop long-term relationships. So here's what you need to do. You need to look at who is ranking in your industry, and you need to look at not just the content on the first page of Google. You need to go and look at what their video content is, what their Facebook content is, what their Twitter content is. Every single vertical that they are in, you want to be checking their content. Then you want to be coming back to the drawing board, and you want to be thinking, right, what can I do better than them? What can I give to my audience that would make them sit up and take notice? Stop chasing the keywords and trying to rank and bank. It doesn't work that way. Think of what you can give your clients. Think of what you can give your audience. How do you help an audience with their problem? You know, think about the places that you should be on and looking at. One great place that you should be looking on is Quora, because people are asking questions real time. People are needing knowledge, and so they're on Quora, they're asking questions. So then you need to start developing a relationship with those people on Quora. You need to develop a relationship with the people on Instagram. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just looking at ranking and banking, if you're just looking at keyword strategies and hopeful that the keywords that you choose, you'll eventually be able to rank for, and then it's going to bring you lots of clients, you're in the wrong game. You're chasing rainbows, and we don't chase rainbows. We have to utilize the tactics and the skills that we have in developing our relationships for the long term. And that means diversifying and having your content unique and something that people will really, really want to take on board. Because when they take that content on board, they're starting to actually build trust for you. Very quick video today, guys. I know it is, but that's what I want you to think about. Have a look at the image again that I showed you. It is definitely overcrowded on the homepage of Google and the search engines. So think about diversifying your content and many other platforms, and you will reach more people in your demographic that will want to engage and interact with you. Don't chase the ranking and banking. It doesn't work anymore. Guys, if you've got any questions, please leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you're chasing ranks and keywords. Yes, they still have a viability in some of your content to actually be shown in keyword, in search results. But effectively, that's not what's going to bring you clients. Okay, that's not what's going to do it. You have to get your content seen in many different places. So tell me, what's your strategy? What do you do? Where do you put your content? How do you develop your content in those different verticals? And what successes have you had? Have you given up on ranking yourself and don't worry about it? Or are you continually chasing that dream? Let me know. And if you haven't subscribed before, guys, please subscribe now, because every Friday I'll be releasing new tips and tricks and information to help you with your attraction marketing. It's about understanding spiritual law, spiritual concepts to bring forth the clients to you and not go out trying to chase them. Have a wonderful weekend, guys, and please feel free to ask any questions. God bless.